Is Sunidhi Singh, and today I'm going to present a presentation on the subject financial accounting on the topic double entry system as the bedrock of modern accounting. So, starting with the introduction, the most important, the double entry system stands as the foundation of modern accounting, ensuring accuracy, transparency, and accountability in financial records by balancing every debt with a corresponding credit. It provides a systematic framework that supports error detection, fraud prevention, the most important one, and reliable reporting. The dual entry system, like the double entry system, is obviously a dual entry approach, is not just a method but a principle that has shaped the financial practices of businesses, governments, and even institutions worldwide, making it the indispensable bedrock of today's accounting standards. Continuing, let's get deeper in the topic by understanding the history and origin. The double entry system originated in 15th century Italy and was first formalized by Luca in 1494 in his book called Summa de Arithmetica. Though it's not the inventor, Peteliud explained the system in detail in his book Summa de Arithmetica, popularizing by and earning him the title Father of Accounting. Italian merchants and adopted the method to manage their growing trade as it ensures accuracy and accountability by recording every transaction with a corresponding debit and credit. This system provided a reliable framework for tracking profit, losses, and financial position, making it indispensable of businesses. Over time, it involves the form of business of modern accounting practices, influencing global standards like GAAP and IFRs. डबल एंट्री सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा कह सकते हैं एक मेरिट होता है to record everything for the small businesses too, like profit and losses. Continuing, let's understand the principles of double entry system. The double entry system operates on the fundamental principle that every transaction affect at least two accounts, like it's a double entry account, so ensuring that the accounting equation assets is equals to liabilities plus equity remains balanced. The key principles are: the first key principle, duality of transaction. Every financial transaction has a dual effect. One account is debited, then other definitely would be credited. Next, debit and credit rules, the golden rules of accounts. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. For personal accounts, the account receiving the value is debited and the account giving the value is credited. The receiving would be debited, my mistake. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out, the golden rule of accounts. And then debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. For nominal account, expenses and losses are debited while incomes and gains are credited. The third principle is accounting equation balance. Every transaction maintain the balance of the accounting equation. The total of debit always equals to the total of credit. Chronological recording. Transactions are recorded in the journal, the order they occurs, providing a clear timeline of financial activities. Journal एक रिकॉर्डर का काम करता है क्योंकि वो सारे चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करता है with dates, all the transactions I mean. Next, let's continue. Ledger classification. Entries from the journal are categorized into respective ledger. Accounts for detailed summary of financial. Going further, the components of double entry system. Two aspects. The first one is two aspects, as we already know. It's a dual aspect. Debit receiving and credit giving. Second, accounts ka classification. Personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. A nominal account, debit expenses, like all the expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains. Journal entries, as I told you, it's the most important one. Transactions are recorded chronologically. Ledger posting. Transaction are categorized into individual accounts, like उनका अपना अलग-अलग individual account होता है, bank account, Ramesh account, or anything. Trial balance ensures total debits equal total credits. And the last is financial statements. forms the basic for preparing the income statement and balance sheet. Next, importance of modern accounting as the topic, the bedrock of modern accounting, and why is it the bedrock of modern accounting? First, accuracy and completeness. Every transaction is recorded with equal debits and credits, reducing the likelihood of errors. Fraud preventions, legal and regulatory compliances, decision making as it provides accurate financial data, enabling informed decisions for investors and management. The fifth is financial analysis, facilitates preparing of financial statements like the income statement and the balance sheet. Moving further, the practical application. The double entry system has wide ranging practical application in modern accounting, ensuring accuracy, transparency, and reliability in financial management. And here are some key application. Business accounting, record daily transactions. Auditing ensures accuracy and provides an audit trail. Tax compliances facilitates accurate tax fillings. Bank used in loans evaluation and financial health analysis. ERP systems, government and non-profits too, ensuring accountability in fund management, international businesses because it manages global transactions and compliance. Decision making provides reliable data for strategic planning and budgeting. It is vital for accurate data and transparent and also efficient financial management. Everything have their own advantages and disadvantages. After learning a lot of advantages and importance, let's talk about some limitations too. Complexity. It is complex, requires expertise to understand and implement, especially for non-accountants and small businesses. It is very complex. Costly implementation. Maintaining double entry records can be expensive, particularly for small enterprises. Due to the need for skilled person and software, we hire CAs for this. Does not reflect non-monetary aspect. It only for the monetary, not non-monetary for. Dependence in estimates. Relies on subjective judgments and estimates for depreciation, bad debts, and provision, which may affect accuracy. Not real-time. Manual systems are not instantaneous, which can delay access to up-to-date financial informations. Fraud and error detection limitation through errors in arithmetic and can be detecting errors of omission. Omission refers to failing to record a transaction, and deliberate manipulation fraud may go unnoticed. And the final conclusion of my whole presentation of this topic, the double entry system as the bedrock of modern accounting, is that the double entry system serves as the bedrock of modern accounting, offering a reliable framework for recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions. Its principles of duality, accuracy, and transparency ensures that businesses can maintain balanced financial records, completely comply with legal standards, and make informed decisions. Thank you so much.